What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I have a question for you guys. My question to you guys is, what's wrong with my four-wheeler here? But before I tell you what's wrong today, I'm just gonna tell you a little backstory. So about a month ago, I picked this thing up off Facebook Marketplace. I was planning on having to do engine rebuild because the lady I bought it off of said that it was seized. But I took the seat off and tried to pull it over, and it pulled over. So I did some other stuff to get it running, which you guys can check out in my other video. But after I got it running for a bit and I drove it down the street, it started smoking a lot, which I'll show you guys right now. And I'm not sure what it is. I have some ideas, but I want to get your guys' thoughts. So I'm gonna get this thing fired up, and then I'll show you what's happening. All right, I'm gonna fire it up. This is gonna be a cold start, so we'll see how it fires up. I'm guessing it's gonna fire up pretty easy. Oh, there we go. I found it. Well, there, as you guys can see, it's already starting to smoke quite a bit. So it's not smoking too bad right now. It'll get worse slowly. So I'm just gonna let it warm up for a second here, and then show you guys how it does. All right, well, it died there but that's all right. Now at least you guys can see how much, at least now you guys can see how much it smokes. You can't really tell on camera, but it's pretty smoky out here. So guys, let me know what you guys think. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. Whether you think it's the valve seals, piston rings, or whatever else it could be. So be sure to leave down in the comments below. But other than that, guys, that's gonna end today's video. Thanks for watching, and hopefully you guys can help me out.